Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? Start. It is further submitted that the learned trial court, while convicting the appellants, had relied upon the alleged recovery of stolen articles from the possession of the appellants. Full stop. PW1 to PW4 had nowhere stated in their deposition that any stolen articles recovered from the possession of these appellants nor the person who identified those articles have been examined by the prosecution. Full stop. It is further submitted that even the officer who conducted test identification parade of stolen articles had not been examined. Full stop. Thus, the finding of the learned trial court regarding the recovery of stolen articles from the possession of the appellants is without any evidence. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid submissions, learned counsels appearing for the appellants has submitted that the impugned judgment and order of sentence cannot be sustained. Full stop. Stanza. On the other hand, Ms. Nand Prabha Shukla, learned additional government advocate appearing for the state, submitted that in the instant case the appellants were identified by four witnesses. Therefore, they have been rightly convicted by the learned trial court. Full stop. It is submitted that though the appellants were arrested on 4/1/1979, but some culprits arrested on 14/2/1979. Thus, there was no delay in holding test identification parade. Full stop. Moreover, the said delay had not been explained. Full stop. Therefore, the delay in holding the test identification parade of the appellants is not fatal for the case of the prosecution. Full stop. It is further submitted that there is sufficient light at the time of occurrence, therefore, the identification by the witnesses cannot be disbelieved. Full stop. Accordingly, it is submitted that the impugned judgment of conviction and order of sentence passed by the learned court below require no interference in this appeal. Full stop. Stanza. Having heard the submissions, we have gone through the record of the case. Full stop. In the instant case, the factum of dacoity has not been denied. Full stop. However, the appellants stated that they have not committed the present crime. Rather, they have been falsely implicated in this case at the instance of police. Full stop. Thus, the only question arose for determination in this case is whether the appellants have any hand in the commission of present crime. Full stop. In the instant case, the prosecution had tried to prove the charges framed against the appellants on the basis of evidence of PW1 to PW4. Full stop. Prosecution also relied upon the statement of PW6 that from the possession of the appellants some stolen articles recovered. Full stop. Stanza. We have considered the prosecution evidence and find that the prosecution tried to prove the recovery of stolen articles only on the basis of deposition of PW6, the investigating officer. Full stop. This witness stated that three dacoits were arrested simultaneously from one place. Full stop. He further deposed that all these articles seized because they resembled with the stolen property. Full stop. From perusal of the entire evidence of the prosecution, comma, we find that none of the inmates of the family in whose house dacoity took place had come forward and stated that the above articles stolen from their house, nor they identified those articles in court. Full stop. It further appears that the said articles were not produced in court. Full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 90 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।